Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality do follow article submission backlink. So the website name is Rakuten blog, so plaza.rakuten.co.jp. So this is a website URL, so I can provide this website URL over the description section, so where you guys can go to access easily. So this is a Japanese website, so only for that we can publish our article on this site. So we will exploring this website. If your businesses are from Japanese, from Japan, so you can consider this website also. And if you wanting to create a do follow backlink, so this is universal website. Okay, so you can see, so before the started we can saw something about that website. So according to Acharya, so domain rating is 93, and according to Moj, so today I exceed my search limit, so I searched multiple time my websites on this site, so that's why I exceeded limit. So you can see bottom of the section, the domain authority is 94 and the spam score is only 1%. So everything is well and good. So according to C ranking, so let me add a website first. So according to C ranking, this website are drawing 2.2k traffic. So this is not accurate traffic, just if this is estimated traffic. Suppose that this website having a 93 domain rating and this 94 domain authority and the spam score is only 1%. But the thing is, this site is drawing 2.2k traffic only. This is not accurate data. Just for the ideas, and we will exploring these things. So this website drawing traffic from Japan, USA, Hong Kong, South Korea and Taiwan and another country. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you wanting to increase crawlability, audience, traffic source, brand building from that kind of country, from that kind of website, so that then you guys will create your backlink on this site. So you can see this is a website dashboard and this is a website URL. So simply first thing, you guys will convert into English. Convert this website language into English. So you will see there is a membership and the registration button. So simply you can click on this button and you will ignore these things. So simply you can click on the create new account, and there we can go to fill our all details. So there you can add your email address, then you can refill your email address. So there you guys will add your username. So if you wanting to change username, so simply uncheck this box and there you guys will add your username. So jobma interview, and there we can add our password. And you will see there you can add your first and last name. So James Bolden, and there you can add your nickname. So Jobma Meal, and you can add a date of birth, and after that you can click on the continue to confirmation page. I think already existed job my interview 01. So let me select this. So our profile is created, so simply you can click on the complete registration button. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. And again you can click on this again, and there you can select your country. So our country is United States, and there we can add our address. Then after that we can click on the continue button. Once you guys will complete this thing, so this site will send you a verification, not verification, OTP. So simply we can convert in English, and simply you can click on the send button. Then you guys will redirect on this interface. So there you can add your website URL. So this is your profile kind of things, and we can convert in English, and you can acknowledge the terms and condition, and you can see there is agree the terms and condition. So you can click on this button again, convert in English, let me, and I guess there is any technical issue, I guess. So job interview, and we can click on the register with this account. Again you can click on this button, and you can click on the skip. So we can convert in English again. So from there you guys will upload your profile picture, and your blog generation, blogs genre, healthcare, or anything related to lifestyle, drink, computer and home appliance, so others. And there you guys will add your company targeted keyword. So there is an option, so that's why I can go to add. And this is a short description where I can add my company description, change the setting. So I guess description is too long, so let me sort. I can go to copy description from my website. What is this message? Enter the description for your blog up to 250 characters in length. Let me add again. So we have added all the things. So now the time is to we can publish article on this site. So simply you can see there is a write a directory button. You can click on this button, and you will see this is your dashboard, article submission dashboard. So simply there you guys will add your article title. So right now I don't have a fresh article, so let me copy from my website. So I want to create article backlink for this. So this is, suppose that after this video I will going to delete this a duplicate article submission, because these things can going to harm your website. So let me add on the, so this is content, and if you wanting to add image, any image, so you can see there is an option to you guys will upload any image, upload an image. So choose, so first let me download, open image and new tab, save, and I can going to upload this image. So you will see we have added successfully, we have added our image, banner image. Now the time is to we can going to add a content, and this is a content, and so suppose that I just added this kind of content. So you guys will optimize your headings, your all content, your overall article. Then after that, if you wanting to insert any hyperlink, any your targeted keywords, on your targeted keywords, so simply you can select your targeted keyword, and you will see there is a website hyperlink button. So you simply going to click on this. There you guys will add your URL, and you can click on the insert. If you wanting to open in new tab, so you can check this box, and after that you can click on the insert button. So we have added. So if you wanting to make bold, so you can click and you can make it bold. Once you guys will optimize your article and you guys will add your all details, then after that, now the time is to we can publish our article. So simply you can see there is a publish button. So you can click on this button, and after that you can click on the publish as is. I guess there is any issue, so use an unauthorized attribute value tag. So let me add the fresh article. So I guess this is counting any unusual tags. So this is my tag. So let me paste as a fresh content. So if you wanting to insert a hyperlink any targeted keyword, so simply you can select your targeted keyword and you guys will insert your website URL. Once you guys can insert, so simply you can see there is publish button. You can click on this. Let me click again, and you will see our article is published. So simply what you guys will do, so simply you guys will add paste your content as a plain text. How you guys will paste a plain text? So simply you can once you guys can copy your content, so while you guys are putting your content, so you guys will simply put as a plain text. How you guys will do this thing? So simply you can control plus shift plus V. So following these methods, you guys will add your content, then you guys will insert your hyperlink, and you guys will optimize your headings, images. Then after that you can publish your article on this site. So I will show you, this is a no follow or do follow backlink, but the before that I will show you in incognito. So this is a instant approved backlink or not. So you will see this is 100% instant approved backlink, and I will show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys will see it's a 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So today we have created a very high quality do follow article submission backlink on this site. So this is a process for the backlinking on this site. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. So from there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.